MONAS. Up to the extreme flow. MONAS Pump Company is a company specializing in progressive cavity pumps, as known as PC pumps or eccentric screw pumps. Founded in 1998, it is equipped with a mass production plant, high-precision processing facilities, and automation equipment in the MTV complex in Siheung-si, Gyeonggi-do, Republic of Korea, and manufactures and provides high-end progressive cavity pumps applied to various fields. MONAS has launched the K-Series, a new model with significantly improved performance and convenience through 25 years of field experience and a long R&D process. The K-Series maximizes the characteristics of PC pumps for pulsation-free meter transfer and are versatile products that can transfer from water to high concentration and high viscosity liquids, from ultra-small capacity to large capacity and ultra-high pressure, and can be used without restrictions. Above all, performance and efficiency have been greatly improved, and it is a product that is easy to install, has a long lifespan of parts, and is easy to maintain due to the adoption of a patented joint and a compact design. It is possible to combine various specifications and materials of parts, including the rotor and stator, in more diverse ways. And with various product lineups, you can select a pump suitable for your application according to the properties, flow rate, and purpose of the transfer liquid. The KC type pump, which is essential for transferring dewatered sludge in sewage or wastewater treatment plants, a major model of K-Series product, greatly improves the transfer performance of dewatered cakes. Because of a large screw, it shows strong agitation and press feeding performance, and MIP is possible due to the fact that the rotor and stator can be easily replaced by designing the screw and casing in a split type. The perfect joint protection structure makes it easy to prevent damage caused by foreign substances, and the suction efficiency is improved by the inducer. The KC type pump is a major product of the K-Series, which not only has a significantly increased transfer capacity compared to the former pumps, but also enables long-distance transfer using relay-type PC pumps. The KD dispenser, using the transfer principle of the PC pump, is a product that combines IT technology with the precision manufacturing technology of a micro PC pump, and is used in industries that require delicate processes. The KD dispenser, a micro PC pump, is controlled by a new concept smart controller, allowing free filling and dispensing, such as ultra-precise control of free discharge volume, constant discharge regardless of changes in viscosity, and a suck-back function that does not cause liquid dripping at the tip of the nozzle. In addition, the KDD dispenser is capable of proportional mixing injection of two liquids. MONAS dispenser KD series enables a dramatic reduction of process time in industrial fields such as automobiles and electronics. MONAS's KF-type pumps are used for sanitary purposes such as food, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, etc., in accordance with food hygiene standards. In addition to this, we are supplying various K-series pump models designed for the application. MONAS's products and technology are essential for wastewater treatment plants and are also being used to treat food waste. In addition, since sludge can be transported through pipes without exposure to the external environment, it contributes to pollution prevention and contributes in various ways to environmental improvement, such as reducing unnecessary consumption of resources through metered and efficient transfer. MONAS's products are already operated in most of major industrial sites and various environmental fields. And MONAS, whose quality and technology have been recognized by exporting to over 20 countries as well as Korea, will make consistent efforts for a cleaner Earth in the future. MONAS pump that cares about the world and the environment. Thank you.